Hello and welcome to Wassenger, the platform that automates WhatsApp for your business. Today, I will show you how to build your AI-powered WhatsApp chatbot without writing a single line of code. That's right, with n8n, Wassenger, and OpenAI, you can reply to your WhatsApp messages instantly 24/7 using real AI that sounds just like you. If you don't have an n8n account yet and don't know how to create your testing environment before launching your AI chatbot, visit our blog where we explain step-by-step how to set it up. You can find the link in the video description. First, we need to install the Wassenger node into our n8n account. In the bottom left corner, go to Settings, click on Community Nodes, and click Install. Then a modal will open and you will need to enter an 8n node Wassenger, accept the terms, and install. Next, go back to the overview and create a new workflow. This will be the brain of our chatbot. Now, we connect to Wassenger by adding a trigger node called a new inbound message received. This will detect every time someone sends a message to your WhatsApp number. Once it's connected, select the number you want to monitor. If you don't have a Wassenger number yet, create a new one using the link in the description of this video. Once you've opened your Wassenger account, go to Developers and open the API key section. Copy the key and paste it into n8n. Right after that, select the number you want to receive messages from. Now pay close attention, as the next step is essential for n8n to be notified of incoming messages. You'll need to create a webhook. Don't worry, it's so simple. Without leaving that view, click on Webhook URL and copy the link that appears. Next, go to your Wassenger account and in the Developers view, click on Webhooks and then Create Webhook. Name your new webhook and paste the URL you just copied into the URL field. Make sure the event message new is enabled. The rest can be disabled. Then save it and you are ready to go. You can now run a test to verify that messages are being reported from WhatsApp to your WhatsApp node in n8n. Simply click Test Step and send a WhatsApp message to your WhatsApp number from another number you own. Within a few moments, a wealth of information about the sent message will appear, which we'll then use to configure our AI response. Now go back to the workflow and click on Add Node and select Advanced AI, then AI Agent. A new configuration window will appear and we can begin configuring our smart response. In the first field, we'll select Define Below, and then in our prompt, we'll search for the field containing the message we just sent to our WhatsApp, which will later be our client's messages. To do this, we'll need to navigate through the data field until we find body within data, and drag it to the input, as I'm currently showing you. Now it's time to bring in the AI. We add the OpenAI chat model node. Go back to your workflow overview and click on Chat Model. Then search for OpenAI and click on OpenAI Chat Model. You'll need to enter your OpenAI credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one using the link in the description of this video. Once you've copied the API key, paste it, and you're ready to go. To make your bot even smarter, we'll add a memory node. This lets the AI remember past messages and reply with more context. We set the context window to 10 messages so it keeps the conversation flowing naturally. Let's test it. Send a message to your WhatsApp number from another phone. You'll see it appear in n8n. And your AI instantly writes back. Finally, we add the response node. This takes the AI-generated message and sends it back to your customer on WhatsApp. Search Wassenger and then send a text message. Just map the fields, customer number, the message, and your connected number. Remember to look for the correct fields within the data tree we received from Wassenger. If you can't see them, you can click Test Step again, and the data will appear automatically. Remember the message we will send to our client. In this last field, you must extract it from the response generated by the AI Agent node, which you can see above our input data. Now we can do a full test of our new WhatsApp AI bot. Once completed, you can easily download your new workflow in JSON format. You can also rename it as you wish. Now check how it would look on your customers' mobile phones. And that's it. You've now built a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot powered by AI with no coding at all. Your bot can answer FAQs, generate leads, and support customers 24 hours a day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links below to get started with Wassenger's free trial. See you in the next tutorial, and happy automating.